Alright, so I was watching this video today of a creator named Weird, and just first of all, look at this.
We all know how overpowered speed is when using the knife. Like in the main knife,
So mainly, like, I really liked his editing style, to be
we all
honest.
know
First of all, like his typography, but mainly one thing that I liked in his video, which was
how overpowered speed is when using the knife. Like in the main knife,
this animation actually. Like, it's pretty cool for a lot of Roblox kind of videos because it has the wall texture and like the animation is really, really good on this. And if I play it frame by frame, if you can actually see. So I thought to actually recreate it today. And
the knife. Like in the main knife loadout, we
like if you literally see, it's so good. Like there is like for a fancy kind of stuff, it's looking really, really good.
increase our speed by like 25%.
And if you see, the animation is really smooth here. So yeah, let's try to recreate this. And this is the final result that I have made. Hopefully I will put something in here so that you guys can also see that. So yeah, let's get started. And first of all, we would need this rivals background. So I will search this background. All right, and not this rivals. We need Roblox rivals background. All right. And maybe it's not going to give us the exact result. We would need something like Roblox rivals wall background. And it's not maybe wall actually. I guess yeah, it's wall. So like this one is kind of a thing. Like this is the thing, but it's kind of like tilted a little bit. Or maybe something like this. I can take a screenshot from the game actually, but let's try to find it from there. Um, and another way maybe I'm thinking about is rather than that,
We all know how overpowered speed is when using the knife. Like in the main knife,
what if we just, take this screenshot and maybe I would ask with ChatGPT to give me this wall background because yeah, it's good. Like ChatGPT can give us this thing. So all right. So I've pasted this here, and now let me ask: can you remove this element and the text just all right, let's see how will that work. And if it's not, I have option another option, like it's Germany, maybe that can also help us. But let's see. I don't know it's going to work because I saw today like this was glitching something like that. So I don't know. But yeah, first of all,
main knife loadout.
then this creating this kind of like the texture like this, it's really easy. And the RGB thing you are seeing right now, it's also easy. So the like let me see.
Know how overpowered speed is when using the knife. Like in the main knife.
Also, this transition was really, really good. Like this, this wave kind of transition. I don't know how did that, like, how did that creator made this, but I know, okay, I know it's pretty easy, I guess. Like, we can make it from, there is a effect called, I really forget, but right now we are not going to be focusing on that, but on this stuff. So, okay, till now it's being, like, okay. So you see, this works really fine. So let's just download this. Right, and now I'll import this. Right. So I'm going to be trying to make this in Premiere Pro only. because I feel, I mean, After Effect would
You'll know how overpowered speed is when using the knife. Like in the main knife.
After Effect would be the best option for this, but I feel I can make this in Premiere also. There is no problem. Or should I make that in After Effect? Okay, so once we have got that background, I'm going to be trying to make it in the um I guess After Effect actually, because I feel I can do it in the Premiere Pro, but it's just going to be taking some time. I mean, so yeah, let's just try to make it in the After Effects. Or maybe not, because we are trying to make it like just like for everyone. Like if any creator wants to use this, I would say it's linked like as a project file, so anyone can use it. So let's just try to make it inside of the Premiere Pro. So first of all, we would need these small shapes like this, which is pretty easy to make actually. You just need this, and you just have to like make dot like this, like random shapes to be honest, and something like this. All right, this is one of the shape. Now we need the roundness of the shape actually. So, and also if you see, it's like glassy texture, which is not actually a glass, it's just like transparent in my opinion. I would see if that's true. By the way, to give it the roundness, um I'm pretty much sure there should be an option about that, but if there is not, you can basically, I have a effect for that, maybe, yeah, like this one. I can just use this onto that. Okay, and this one gave us uh like the rounded corners, and basically it's just this settings you can see from here, and it's from rough edges actually. So yeah, this one, it's kind of like looking like this. If it's not, you can turn down like values a little bit, so to make this actually like corners like this. So this one step is done, and if you want that glassy texture kind of thing, you can just increase like decrease the opacity a little bit. So this one's fine. And also this inner glow you can see on the side of this one is quite easy to make. You just need to put like there is a effect called lighting, like, yeah, lighting effect maybe, but that is like kind of really it takes like your PC specifically, I mean, I don't know, but like it sometimes glitches when you put in a lot of things in that. I don't know why. I have tried this a lot, but like when you're doing some heavy graphics, it would maybe crash. And I don't know why it's not working right now. I mean, it is, but it's just like too. And what the heck is happening? Like, this is kind of glitching right now. Oh. Okay, so if I increase the ambience intensity, okay, something works. Okay, this one is the light one. All right, and this is its center. Okay, and these are their settings. I can try tweaking them. Okay, this one is the intensity thing. And what is this? Focus and angle and basically all this. I feel it would work maybe best if I try to, make this nest and then put it on the top, in my opinion. I don't know why, but this is not intense like I thought about. I have got a effect actually. Let me try like that. I guess it's the same with, everything because I feel I should take this really like this, maybe. I feel, in this, the After Effect really works well. That's why I was choosing that. But maybe we can try something with drop shadow. I don't know. I don't know. Like maybe, but this one is not the inner drop shadow, so that's why it would not maybe work in this. But yeah, like it's looking really weird, I know. But I just need to decrease the softness, increase the distance, change the direction to something like top, and then increase softness, and then decrease the distance a little bit. And we need to keep, okay, this, okay, I literally did not expected that, but this really worked as we thought. It's not accurate like the as one in the reference, but this really does its thing. And to be honest, it looks good. Like I can give it direction like the top one, and maybe give it softness. When I'm giving it the softness, it's kind of um making it like like all of the places which I don't like, to be honest. I just need to keep it in the corners only. So yeah, that's one step of making this shape layer. I can just duplicate this. And one thing I have done wrong is I just need this, without the nest. I'm trying to make as less as possible nest, because the nest is really not a good thing, because it requires a lot of back and forth to animate things actually, and it's just annoying, to be honest. So yeah, it works fine exactly with this. You just need two and three more of the shape layers, duplicate it like this, right? And you can just rotate them. Like there is this motion, and maybe we can try rotating it from the motion actually. Yeah, 180-degree, to be honest. Just because, and yeah, after doing it, you just need to, like, whenever I'm kind of moving this shape layer, I'm choosing this, but for the like for the rotation, I used the motion thing actually. Yeah, okay. And last, duplicate, and I, I should just duplicate this one actually, and keep this like this. All right, this is you have the. Let me try to align it properly. By the way, we haven't done the secret sauces things in this. Like we have just done like the shaping things. But to be honest, it's kind of looking pretty good as of right now, to be honest. And
That we literally
so now let's just add these uh, like elements. So what I use actually is just like typing whatever, and it would just give you this, exact image to you. So here you got this. It now I'll just say the image of it and just import it here. All right, and place it somewhere like here. It's like it's not related to the size of the box. It's like more than the size of box. Another one. This one is knas. All right. This one is already in a PNG format, which is really good for us. All right. I'm just going to be duplicating this, and I'm going to be replacing this in here. And here we got the second one, and the last, this knife actually. Karambit. All right. Let me put this one, duplicate this, and here we go with the knife. And last but not least, this, I don't know what to say. It's like smoke. I know, not smoke, but like, yeah, Warhol. I forgot its name. I usually use the different one, and I guess it's the different skin, to be honest. Yeah. All right. So you have got the basics here. Now, like we are doing the, like we have done the basics like this. Now you need the, you know, now let's do some of the secret sauces first of all. Or maybe first of all, let's just animate the things,
How
to be honest.
overpowered speed is when using the knife. Like in the main knife loadout.
Okay, so if you see this, like how everyone, like every um
Main knife loadout.
everything is popping on their own. Like this would need some nest, to be honest, or maybe not, I guess.
In the main knife loadout, we literally use the Warhol.
I guess it doesn't need any nest, to be honest. You just need what you just need is that, or maybe you do. Let's just try to see. So first of all, what I'm trying to do is right now keep the things um with the respective things. I mean, what I'm saying, I don't know, but just like this. All right. So we have these two. Oh, wait, something went wrong. What is that? Okay, that's the background. I can maybe change that name, like change its name, PG. All right. And then what is this? This one is the key. All right. This one is keyboard. Okay, okay, I got you. I just need to do this. Then everything will be fine, right? So this is this. This one is daggers. I don't know. No, not daggers. Okay, it's dagger actually. This one is um what? This one is knife. All right, everything's perfect. So now we just gotta animate this. So we are going to be going to this thing and adding I already have one of the preset. So I've got this like pop thing, which is kind of really works in this situation. So rather than making from scratch, I'm thinking to just use this, and you just need to click on this FX button and change its anchor point so that it pops from the center actually. And you just need to copy this and paste it to your bow. It would be different. Okay, I guess not, it's good, but I guess you just need to reset the anchor point so that for the bow it actually, by the way, you can, if I can move it one frame behind. No, it looks weird, I guess. Or maybe it could. Yeah, this one is looking more good. I can do that. And something like this, so everything is gradually coming. Yeah. And I just need to repeat this step for everything like this. Copy paste. copy and paste. All right, that works. Copy this, squeeze in, paste it here. Yeah, and first of all, let me just paste this without anchored, squeeze into everything like this. Then after that, I'm just going to copy this, squeeze in, and pasting it manually. Okay, this one is fine. Just a little bit tweak here. Okay, and then last but not least, wait, where is my animation? Copy this and then paste it and change its anchor point to this. All right. Okay. Now you have got your animated pop-ups of these loadouts, which is looking pretty good to be honest. I mean, we have got the basics done right now, and I literally have not expected that it would turn out like this, but this looks pretty good. All right. After animating this, we only remaining to do some secret sauces on this. So let me bring that in. Yes. So this one is two of my favorite, I would say. By the way, I don't know why this is, I don't know when I would change this, it's going to be offset. It's going to be changing a lot of things in the editing panel. I'm pretty much sure. By the way, let me just disable this right now and see what the changes it have done with this. All right, so it just have made it pretty ugly to be honest. Let me control alt F, like this is a shortcut to actually. Okay, hopefully for the elements it have not done anything bad to be honest. Um, by the way, let's just okay. So let me tell you, this is the Gaussian glow, which is like which properties you can see right here, which is pretty good effect because let me show you before and after. So this one is before, this one is after. It's definitely not anything crazy going on here, if you can see. By the way, let me just remove this keyframe from here. It would impact when I increase this value. So you see the glow, but it's so much blurred. I mean, like it's so. Let me just try to decrease this value right here. All right, and a little bit of this. Okay. So now if you see this before and after, it have really done its thing. Like now this is, I don't know why it feels a little bit weird. Like originally it's looking more good. With the glow, it's I guess too much exaggerated. But that's what everyone is doing right now. You know, the fancy and stuff. Like if you see the glow amount of
Speed
glow
is when using the knife. Like in the main
in this is,
knife loadout.
I mean, it's not really crazy, but this little bit of glow does look pretty good to be honest. By the way, next you do need let me bring that in again. You need this vignette effect, but it's just obviously right now it's a lot. So you need to tweak in some settings to actually make it looks good. First of all would be the opacity. If I can just like if I just tweak with the opacity, it does look pretty good. So let me see without it, with it. I feel it's good. It's last but not least, this is the one that makes the whole system kind of laggy to be honest, which is this as warp Roma, which is a paid plugin to be honest. And when you label it, l- like you see the effect. Let me show you. Okay, so you see this RGB kind of effect you are getting here. This is like exactly like you are seeing it right now here. So this gives exactly like that. So yeah, this one's looking pretty good with that to be honest. And So this is how we have made this, vignette effect. I don't know, it's just not playing, to be honest. But let me export this actually, and yeah, basically we have made this in like 25 minutes. So I actually didn't notice like this is the time we have spent to make this, but which was pretty
We
good.
literally use the
And
warhol,
if I see
which increases our speed by like 25%.
there is more really good animations in these videos. If you see,
Well, the other day, I asked Nofny if there was any way he would be able to increase.
maybe we will create that in future videos, but for right now, yeah, that was it. And hope you guys like this video. So by the way, main thing I'm trying to make on this channel is actually some feedback and maybe like breakdown kind of series, to be honest. So if you are making any kind of content on the YouTubes, and you can share your channel links in the comments, and I would basically just go to the channel and maybe make a video on that. Like I'm trying to make like analyzing channels, like what they are doing bad and how I can help them grow. So maybe like I can see their videos and like tell them, okay, so this one is something you can improve in our videos and things like that. So yeah, if you're interested in that, you can just paste your channel link in the comments. Link, I mean not link, but you can just comment from that channel. So I would just maybe try, like, this is first ever video, so yeah, if you have any, you can just comment down below. So yeah, that was pretty much it, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. I'm trying to make this a daily like daily video thing. So yeah, best of luck for that.